To buy Pepe Coin on Crypto.com, start by creating an account on the platform if you do not already have one. Go to the Crypto.com website and click on Sign Up. Then follow the prompts to enter your email address, create a password, and provide any other required information. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Crypto.com. Once your account is set up, you will need to complete the Know Your Customer, or KYC, process. This involves providing identification and proof of address to comply with regulatory requirements. Log into your account and navigate to the Account Settings section. Then click on Verify My Account and follow the prompts to upload the required documents. After your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your Crypto.com account. The most common method is to use a credit or debit card. But you can also deposit cryptocurrency from an external wallet or use a bank transfer. To deposit funds using a card, navigate to the account dashboard and click on Buy. Then select the currency you want to deposit and follow the prompts to enter your card details and complete the transaction. With funds deposited into your account, you can now buy Pepe Coin. Navigate to the Crypto.com exchange and search for Pepe Coin. Then click on the Buy button. Enter the amount of Pepe Coin you want to purchase and confirm the transaction. You can also set up a recurring buy to purchase Pepe Coin at regular intervals. It is essential to keep your Pepe Coin secure, so make sure to store it in a safe and secure location, such as the Crypto.com wallet or an external hardware wallet. Always use two-factor authentication and keep your account information confidential to prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily buy Pepe Coin on Crypto.com and start building your cryptocurrency portfolio. Remember to always do your own research and stay informed about market conditions before making any investment decisions.